Dynamic Garage Door. Tired of that rustic, old-fashioned garage door? With Dynamic Garage Door, bid farewell to outdated aesthetics. This California-based company has mastered the art of bringing any garage door concept to life. Be it some Mediterranean-style carriage doors or flush mount doors that integrate into the wall, they have got it all. You want a garage hidden from public sight? They have got that too. Would you like to have your garage door redesigned too?